SentinelOne Security Honest Review. Watch before using. SentinelOne is a next-gen endpoint security solution designed for enterprises and businesses needing AI-driven threat detection, real-time response, and autonomous remediation. Unlike traditional antivirus software, SentinelOne uses behavioral AI to detect and mitigate threats without relying on signature-based methods. It protects against malware, ransomware, exploits, and even fileless attacks, making it a top-tier choice for organizations looking for automated cybersecurity. One of its standout features is Active EDR, which continuously monitors endpoints, detects anomalies, and rolls back changes in case of an attack. SentinelOne also offers threat hunting tools, making it an excellent fit for IT teams that require in-depth visibility into security incidents. The platform is available in three main tiers: Core, Control, and Complete. Core covers essential threat detection and remediation. Control adds application and device control. And Complete includes advanced forensics and deep threat hunting. The AI-driven approach means SentinelOne doesn't just detect threats, but also neutralizes them without user intervention. Unlike many competitors, it can automatically disconnect compromised devices, isolate threats, and even roll back systems to a pre-attack state. This level of automation significantly reduces the workload for IT teams while ensuring maximum protection. Performance-wise, SentinelOne is lightweight and doesn't slow down endpoints like traditional antivirus solutions. The AI-driven detection is faster than signature-based alternatives, and since it operates at the kernel level, it provides proactive defense against even unknown threats. Another major advantage is its XDR, extended detection and response, capabilities, allowing integration with multiple security tools for better overall protection. SentinelOne is also cloud-managed, making deployment and policy enforcement easier across large networks. However, it's not a perfect solution. While automation is a strength, it may lead to occasional false positives, requiring fine-tuning to avoid unnecessary alerts. Pricing is also on the higher side compared to standard antivirus solutions, making it more suitable for businesses rather than individual users. Some users report that while the UI is functional, it could be more intuitive for beginners. Overall, SentinelOne is a top-tier endpoint security solution built for enterprises that need automated, AI-driven protection against modern cyber threats. If you're looking for a highly effective autonomous security platform with minimal manual intervention, it's one of the best options available. However, for smaller businesses or those needing a more budget-friendly solution, it might be overkill. If automation, AI-driven detection, and real-time remediation are your priorities, SentinelOne is worth considering.